Hi friends, welcome you all to the channel OXBRIDGE to Happiness, and today I'm going to help you in learning the correct pronunciation of some animals' names. So let's start now. The first animal is hippopotamus. 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 Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. It is not hippopotamus, okay? It is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is the horse of river. The next animal is zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra means zebra, and it has two pronunciations. The first one is zebra and the next is zebra. 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 Okay, and both are correct pronunciations. Zebra has black and white strips on its body. The next animal is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger means bug. Tiger is the national animal of India. The next animal is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant means hathi. Elephant is the biggest animal on earth. The next animal is baboon. Baboon. B-A-B-O-O-N. Baboon means langur. Baboons are omnivorous animal. The next animal is chimpanzee. C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E. Chimpanzee means chimpanzee. Chimpanzee like banana. The next animal is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey means bandar. Monkeys are naughty animal. It is not monkey, friends. It is monkey. Okay. Next animal is squirrel. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel means gilahari. And squirrels are omnivorous animal. The next animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros means gander. Rhinoceros is a herbivorous animal. It is not rhinoceros, it is rhinoceros. Okay. The next animal is panda. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda means panda. Panda likes to eat bamboos. The next animal is leopard. Leopard. L-E-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard means tendua. Leopards are carnivorous animal. The next animal is cat. C-A-T. Cat means billy. Cat likes milk. The next animal is dog. D-O-G. Dogs are faithful animal. The next animal is goat. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat is a domestic animal. The next animal is sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep means bhed. Sheep gives us wool. The next animal is donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. It's not donkey. Okay, it's donkey. Donkey means gadha. Donkey is a herbivorous animal. The next animal is buffalo. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo means bhas. I was shocked. I saw a yellow buffalo in my garden. The next animal is camel. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel means oot. Camels are found in sands. The next animal is bull. B-U-L-L. Bull means sand. Bullfighting is the traditional event in Spain. If you like this video, please share with your friends and relatives. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Like this video at last. Thanks for watching.